Hello, sixth grade scientist. The cool thing about science is that it's all around us. Think about all the activities you enjoy doing. How is science a part of your everyday life? Are you someone who likes to cook and bake? How does science take place in the kitchen? Mixing chemicals, experimenting with new recipes, looking at the nutrition, it's all a part of science. Maybe you're someone who loves animals. Veterinarians, marine biologists, zoologists, herpetologists, they're all people who work in different fields of science that has to do with animals. Maybe you're someone who likes to build, engineering, computer coding, architecture. It's all a part of science. Maybe you're someone who loves to play sports. Think about all the science that goes into sports, from knowing the correct angle to shoot a foul shot, to the material that goes into making equipment, such as footballs, bats, baseballs. How about the art of dance? How is that science? It's everywhere around us. So this week in your virtual work, you're going to explore how science is a part of your life and your interests. Let's get started. You're going to be creating a self-portrait of yourself as a scientist and how science fits into your life. So the first task will be to take a picture of yourself as you see yourself in the realm of science. So for example, if you are someone who loves baking, maybe your self-portrait will take place in your kitchen with you wearing an apron. If sports is your field of science, maybe you'll take a picture of yourself wearing a sports uniform or performing a task like shooting a free throw or swinging a baseball bat. Maybe you're that person that likes to build and you want to show a picture of yourself building something with your Legos or woodworking. If you're someone who loves animals, your self-portrait might be with you and your pet. Okay, I want you to be really creative, but think about how science ties directly into your life. When you create your portrait this week, your picture will be the center of your collage. Your next task is to look at other areas in your life that relate to science. You're going to make a list of 3 science-related things that are of interest to you. Some examples might include coding, sports, weather, video game programming, environmental issues. Really anything can fit into science. Once you have your list of 3, you're going to need to find an image or a picture, or draw or create your own, that you can save to your photos to use in your project. Task 3 is to come up with 2 scientific questions you wonder about. I don't know about you, but I often think, well, I wonder how that happened, or who came up with that idea. My little kids ask me questions all the time at home. Why is the sky blue? Why is the grass green? Why is it raining today? So I want you to think about 2 questions that you often wonder. Again, once you have your 2 questions, you're going to need to find an image or a picture to represent each one of these. Again, you can get on the computer and you can save those to your photos, or you can draw and create your own once you get into the project. You're then going to use the information that relates yourself to the science world to create a self-portrait collage using the Pages app. So you can see my example here. At the top, I've stated that I am a scientist, and here in the center is my self-portrait. Okay, one thing I love to do with science is experiment with my kids, so we're doing a little lab in the kitchen. 3 areas of interest are marine biology, storms and weather, and of course, I love plate tectonics and learning about our changing Earth. 2 questions I posed were, why is the sky blue? And what is a shooting star? And with each of my ideas, I've added a picture, which is what turns this into a self-portrait collage. So you will have instructions on how to use the Pages app where your project will be created, but you can always reference back to this example if you need help. What you're going to do next in today's lesson is explore the world of science a little bit more. So you're going to return to the Scientist Self-Portrait folder and complete the Fields of Science exploration activity. Have fun!